Some of us think holding on makes us strong, but sometimes it is letting go. Solitude is independence. I have always believed, and I still believe, that whatever good or bad fortune may come our way, we can always give it meaning, and transform it into something of value. People with courage and character always seem sinister to the rest. Everything becomes a little different as soon as it is spoken out loud. You are only afraid if you are not in harmony with yourself. People are afraid because they have never owned up to themselves. Happiness is a how, not a what. A talent, not an object. The bird fights its way out of the egg. The egg is the world. Whoever will be born must destroy a world. One never reaches home, but wherever friendly paths intersect, the whole world looks like home for a time. Words do not express thoughts very well. They always become a little different immediately after they are expressed, a little distorted, a little foolish. If you hate a person, you hate something in him that is part of yourself. What isn't part of ourselves doesn't disturb us. It is not our purpose to become each other, it is to recognize each other, to learn to see the other and honor him for what he is. The call of death is a call of love. Death can be sweet if we answer it in the affirmative, if we accept it as one of the great eternal forms of life and transformation. Knowledge can be communicated, but not wisdom. One can find it, live it, be fortified by it, do wonders through it, but one cannot communicate and teach it. It was morning. Through the high window I saw the pure, bright blue of the sky as it hovered cheerfully over the long roofs of the neighboring houses. It too seemed full of joy, as if it had special plans, and had put on its finest clothes for the occasion. To be able to throw oneself away for the sake of a moment, to be able to sacrifice years for a woman's smile, that is happiness. It is not Kafka's fault that his wonderful writings have lately turned into a fad, and are read by people who have neither the ability nor the desire to absorb literature. As a body everyone is single, as a soul never. Every man is more than just himself, he also represents the unique, the very special and always significant and remarkable point at which the world's phenomena intersect, only once in this way, and never again. Love of God is not always the same as love of good. The truth is lived, not taught. Only the ideas that we really live have any value. Those who cannot think or take responsibility for themselves need, and clamor for, a leader. To study history means submitting to chaos, and nevertheless retaining faith in order and meaning. When dealing with the insane, the best method is to pretend to be sane. The world is not imperfect or slowly evolving along a path to perfection. No, it is perfect at every moment. Every sin already carries grace in it. Writing is good, thinking is better. Cleverness is good, patience is better. If a man has nothing to eat, fasting is the most intelligent thing he can do. Within us there is someone who knows everything, wills everything, does everything better than we ourselves. Perhaps people like us cannot love. Ordinary people can, that is their secret. Seeking means to have a goal, but finding means to be free, to be receptive, to have no goal. All men are prepared to accomplish the incredible, if their ideals are threatened. Eternity is a mere moment, just long enough for a joke. Lack of friends is a sign that a man has many hobbies as well as time.